Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mini Lego construction site. First, we're going to be making a bulldozer. The first pieces to making a bulldozer are two wheel-shaped pieces for the bulldozer. Next, you need two-sided bricks that can be any color. Then you need a gray or black chair piece like this. Then all of these pieces have to be yellow. A 1x1 clip that looks with the clip like that. A 1x2 with a smooth top. A 1x2 that for the clip to connect to. A square 1x1 and a rectangle 1x2 flat. That's flat. Okay, to make it, grab these four pieces, the wheels and the two-sided bricks. Then place this part right here into one of the holes. Then grab the other one. Place this one like this. And so you know where this one has to go. It has to go in this hole. This. Put it like flat, so exactly straight the piece. Like that. Place it together and then grab two square or rectangle yellow piece and then put it on top. Okay, now that's the base. The next part you need is the 1x1 with the clip. Put that in front. Like this, and then grab the 1x2 that can connect to the clip and connect it to the clip. Now grab the chair piece and put it on the 1x2 like this. That's the front of the bulldozer. Grab the 1x1, put it on the back, and then grab the 1x2 with a smooth top and then put it on top of the bulldozer. Okay, the next part you need to build is a crane with a magnet on the chain. Okay, first you need the same thing, the wheels and the two-sided bricks. That. Next you need a magnet thing like this that looks like this. Then you need a 1x1. All these have to be yellow. This one has to be transparent, like this, a slope, 1x1 slope, like that. It also has to be yellow. Two 1x1s, square 1x1s. A 1x2 with a clip. A 1x2 black piece that the clip can connect to. A 1x1 smooth square piece. And a chain that's like about this size or smaller. Okay, the first pieces you need are these the same things like this. Put it on the top like this, and then put this one at the bottom like that. Connect it together like this. Grab the 1x2 with a clip and then put it on. So that's the base right there. And then grab the 1x2 with the black that can connect and then put it on like that. Grab the chain, put it on the edge of the 1x2, black 1x2. Grab the magnet part and then grab this part right here and then stick it through the hole. There. Now you got the front part of the vehicle. Okay. Next, you gotta stack these 1x2s or 1x1s, and then stack them together like that. Put them on the back like this. Put this a little down like that. Grab the transparent slope, yellow slope, and put it in the front like that. And last piece you gotta put on the top right here, like this. There, now you got your magnet crane thing. Next, my brother is gonna be making a regular crane. Okay. Okay, he's gonna be showing you how to make a regular crane.
Okay, first you need wheels. Then you're going to need a chain. Okay, you're going to need two of these two-sided bricks. It doesn't matter what color they are. Then you're going to need a 1x2 piece that clips can snap on. Then you're going to need a 1x2 with a clip. Then you're going to need a 1x2 smooth caution piece. Next we're going to make it. You're going to grab these 4 pieces, and then you're going to grab them. You're going to grab one of them and snap it right here on the bottom one. Place that aside. You're going to do the same thing with this one, but instead you're going to place it above.
Like that.
Okay, next you're going to grab this piece, the 1x2 with a clip, and then the 1x2 smooth caution piece. You're going to place the caution piece on the 1x2 piece with a clip. Then you're going to grab these pieces, and then you're going to snap it on like that. Next, you're going to grab the 1x2 clips can snap on, and then you're going to attach it, and then you're going to make it facing up. Then you're going to grab the chain and snap it on the edge. Okay, there you got it, a crane. Now I'm going to show you how to make a car. First, you need 2 of these 1x1 pieces with a tube. I'm going to put those aside. Then you're going to need 4 of these 1x1 smooth circle pieces, and then you're going to move that aside. Okay, last you need this clear 1x1 slope. I'm going to put that aside. Okay, now debuilding it. You're going to grab the 1x1 with the tubes, and you're going to place them on each other. And then you're going to grab these 4 for the wheels. And then you're going to attach it like that. Okay, that's the first one. And then the second one. Okay. Last, you're going to grab the 1x1 clear slope and place it on top, facing the direction down. And then there you got it, a car.
To like this, to place the stuff on. So if you want to add extra things, you could grab like stop signs like this, or fences like this, that, and then put them like directed or something like that. and then on the bottom, you're able to place them anywhere like this. And then, but the car you can't really place down. You just have to like put it down like that. And then also, lastly, if you need, or if you want to, you can have like, if you have a little character like this. This is Baby Jack from The Incredibles. You can use him as like a construction worker or you could use any other little minifigure to work. And so that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye.